Hello everyone, my name is Khushbu. I'm working as an assistant professor in BBD University, Lucknow. Today I'm going to discuss the topic, and the topic was cultivation, collection, processing, and storage of drug of natural origin. Firstly, introduction to natural drugs. Natural drugs, also known as herbal medicines, are therapeutic substances derived from plants, minerals, and other natural sources. These remedies have been used for centuries to treat a wide range of ailments and promote overall well-being. Now, what is cultivation? Cultivation refers to the interstitial growing and managing of medicinal plant for the purpose of harvesting their therapeutic compounds. It involves carefully selecting suitable plant species, preparing the soil, planting and tending to the crops throughout their growth cycle. Cultivation is also a process of growing the plant by providing all form of necessary requirements. It also ensures quality and purity of plant. It required intensive care and management. It helps in application of new techniques like hybridization, mutation, and polyploidy, which ultimately provide an improved quality of crops. Now, methods of cultivation. There are two methods of cultivation. Vegetative propagation is also known as asexual method. Seed propagation, also known as sexual propagation. Vegetative propagation is a technique such as division, cutting, and layering that involve the vegetative part of plant to produce new individual without the use of seed. Vegetative propagation is detached from the body of mother plant, and this detached parts grown up into a new independent plant under suitable condition. Seed propagation is a growing plant from seed, which involve the sexual reproduction of parent plants and the genetic recombination of traits in the spring. Now, collecting natural drugs. The collection of natural drug involves the harvesting of specific plant parts such as leaves, roots, bark, or flowers at the optimal temperature or time and from the appropriate locations. Careful attention may be paid to sustainable collection practices to ensure the long-term variability of the plant population. After sufficient growth, the plant should be collected from wild or cultivated plant at specific season and also at specific time period to get a best quality of products. The harvesting techniques and the time at which we have to harvest the plant. It includes timing, plant part, and sustainability practices. In timing, collecting plant at the right stage of growth, of often during flowering or when the active compound are most concentrated. Plant part, identifying and harvesting the specific plant part that contain the desired therapeutic compound. Sustainable practices employing techniques that minimize harm to the plant population and preserve the ecosystem. Now, processing and storage of natural drug. After collection, natural drug undergo various processing steps such as drying, grinding, and extraction to concentrate the active compounds and preserve their potency. Proper storage in cool, dry condition is essential to maintain the quality and efficacy of the natural drug over time. Now move on to the factor affecting cultivation of medicinal plant. The effect of these factors have been studied by growing particular plant in different environmental conditions and observing its variations. First, climate. Climate include temperature, rainfall and other environmental conditions play a crucial role in growth and development of medicinal plant. Firstly, in temperature. Temperature is a crucial factor controlling the growth, metabolism, and thereby the yield of secondary metabolites of plants. Even though each species has become adapted to its own natural environment and they are able to access in a considerable range of temperature. For example, cinchona plant take 60 to 75 optimal temperature to grow. Coffee plant required 50 to 70 degree optimal temperature. Rainfall for the purpose of development of plant, rainfall is required in proper measurement. Excessive rainfall could cause a reduction in the secondary metabolites due to leaching of water soluble substance from the plant. And other environmental conditions include day length, daylight. That's all. Soil quality. The composition and fertility of the soil can significantly impact the yield and potency of the harvested plant. Third factor, pests and diseases. Effective pest and disease management strategies are necessary to ensure the health and viability of the medicinal plant crops. Human factor, proper cultivation, techniques, knowledge, and equipments are essential for successful medicinal plant productions. That's all. Thank you.